You have an entitlement that says Network Cloud-Served, then you need to install the Sentinel Rights Management System, or RMS, on your server. Don't know how? This is the video for you to get going on Windows. To get your environment working, you download the RMS installation package, install and activate the RMS on your Windows server, configure your Uniface machines to connect to this RMS. You can download the Sentinel RMS from the Rocket Customer Portal. Log in to the Rocket Customer Portal at my.rocketsoftware.com. Click on Downloads and select Uniface under Selected Product. Click on the blue link to the left of Uniface Sentinel RMS. Download the self-extracting archive for your platform. See the README to see which is applicable. Upload the file to the machine you wish to install the RMS on. You can now install the RMS using the package you downloaded. Double-click the self-extracting archive and click OK. This opens the Sentinel RMS License Manager installation script. Click Unzip and wait for all files to be extracted. Then click OK. After extraction and confirmation, the RMS Server for Uniface installation prompt opens. Click Yes when prompted to elevate to administrative permissions. Press Enter to continue installation, and then Y, followed by Enter, to agree to all terms of the license agreement. Choose the installation path of the RMS installation. Press Enter for the default. Choose one to choose Cloud-Served License. Now you enter the entitlement ID of your Network Cloud-Served License and press Enter. You can choose to enter any additional entitlement ID or press Enter to continue. Enter a friendly name to register this machine. This will install Sentinel in your chosen location. Your Uniface servers and clients can now connect to this RMS. Add this assignment setting to the assignment file of your Uniface servers or clients, replaced with the hostname or IP address of your RMS server.